large companies, how we could have the large companies' contact information. Today we're going to talk about electrical industry companies, Iranian electrical companies, and the direct way to contact to the Iranian supplier or buyer. Hello friends, welcome back to another video of commercial video series. Today I'd like to introduce to you a famous website where you can find lots of electrical businesses and company in Iran. But before that, I'd like to draw your attention to an important point. In previous lessons we talked about Iranian yellow pages and companies direction where you can find companies and validate them easily. I will mention that video link above this video. And another thing, some friends asked me about financial sanctions and limitation. As example, they asked me, can Iranian companies cooperate with European? And I told them, yes, of course. And I start my next video that it's about this topic, I mean financial sanctions. Don't lose financial sanction video. This is Iran's Electrical Industry Syndicate. In this website, by clicking on the English language, you can download a list of companies that could be very useful source for your business. If you need more companies, just watch the video that I mentioned. If you are new in my channel and would like to watch me again, don't forget to click on subscribe button. But about the next video is about unusual payment methods, sanction, and how we could cooperate with Iranian companies. I think it could be very useful video. See you soon.